So I'm here to talk about FusionMed, so combined technologies for best aesthetic results. What is FusionMed? I like to say that FusionMed is a clinic in a platform, because thanks to this device I can perform pain-free, non-invasive treatment for both face and body blemishes, thanks to the combination of different technologies like radiofrequency, ultrasound, fat freezing, so cryo, and vacuum suction. Which are the main benefits of the device? It is a state-of-the-art device because we will see that, technically speaking, all the techniques are the best that we can have on the market, so they are very comfortable and very effective. It is a versatile equipment, so both face and body treatment. Customizable, that is very important because each person has different problems. It is comfortable, so totally pain-free, and we don't have downtime after the treatment. Clinically efficacious, because we have a synergic combination, and cost-effective, that it is also important both for the patient and for the provider. So we have a combination of technologies, as I said, and which are the main indications? Basically for face, skin laxity and wrinkles, but also scars, because radiofrequency induce the production of collagen, so improve the aspect of scars, and also active acne, because with the radiofrequency we can decrease the production of sebum. For body, we speak about the improvement of skin laxity, again, cellulite, stretch marks, and localized adiposity as well. Very important to establish where we are when we treat a person. And to establish where we are, we have to do a correct anamnesis, so we have to talk with our patients. We have to do a visual and palpatory examination. And normally what I do is to use an instrumental examination. I do an echography, basically an echography of the tissue. And once I see this, I establish the most effective protocol with the machine. So what about non-surgical body sculpting? So now we know the problems, we have to decide which techniques we want to use. If we only have localized adiposity, so a true localized adiposity, for instance, we can go for the fat freezing, the cryo. Basically, the action mechanism of this technique is by the application of very low temperature on one area, we can trigger an apoptotic event at the fat layer level. If we think about apoptosis, apoptosis takes time to develop. So once we do the treatment, we need time to see the result. So we lose more or less 20% of the fat layer each time, but we need all the time that apoptosis needs, so around 2-3 months. They observed that the application of cold is useful to reduce fat thanks to this apoptotic process, and the fat cells are naturally removed by macrophages normally over a period of 2-3 months, and the average reduction is 20-23% thickness for each session. So what can we expect from this treatment? We can expect really great results if you do a good patient selection, if you work properly, and possibly, if you need it, if you combine the technique with other techniques. I show this example, for instance. You see from the echography, we can see that the fat tissue is quite soft, so we can go straight to this technique. This is another example, quite a big lady, not doing any kind of diet. She didn't want to do training at all. So this is only the result of cryo action. How many treatments I did? I did it twice in 5 different areas. So this is the result in 2 sessions of cryo. This is another case, Tammy and Love Handles. This area, on this lady, the area was very hard. So first I started with 2 sessions of cavitation. I got a softer tissue, and then I did 1 session of cryo, 1 here and 1 on the inner thigh. Let's switch to another technique, cavitational ultrasound. The cavitation is also focused just on the treatment of the fat layer. The ultrasound has many different effects on tissue, mainly a thermal effect, a micromechanical effect, a chemical effect, and a cavitational effect. Depending on the frequency of the ultrasound and on the tissue that you are working on, one of these effects will be more effective than the others. For instance, if you use a high-frequency ultrasound, you have a thermal and a micromechanical effect that improves the texture of the skin. If you have a 3 MHz ultrasound, you improve the texture. If you have a low frequency, so a 28 kHz ultrasound like with FusioMed, you have a cavitational effect and you mainly reduce the fat layer thickness. You see here, if you work in the field of kilohertz, you achieve you can destroy the cell membrane and so reduce the number of fat cells. If you work in the field of megahertz, you simply have small bubbles moving very fast and giving you a sort of drainage. That's why with FusioMed, we decided to have a 28 kHz ultrasound to work on localized adiposity. These are some examples. From the ecography, we can see that the deep fat layer is hyper-echogenic, so it is quite hard, and this is a very good case for cavitation, because cavitation softens the tissue. So these are the examples. Love handles, a small love handle, tummy area. This is actually my knee, so you can see that a small bump here, I could remove it, just a small one with 4 cavitation sessions. And then let's switch to another technique that is very useful to work both on face and on body, because now we focused only on fat. But as we saw, we have many other problems. Edema, circulation, sclerosis. And with radiofrequency, we can help a lot with all the other problems. Which is the action mechanism, the main action mechanism of radiofrequency? If we work, very important, first of all, I want to say one thing. With this machine, is very interesting because we can set the frequency of the radio frequency. FusioMed, I can set different frequencies of radio frequency, and the lower is the frequency, the deeper I go into the tissue. So if I simply want to tighten the skin, I use high frequencies. If I have cellulite, edema, I want to improve circulation at the fat level, I use very low frequency. That means that it's very useful to treat the edema of the adipose tissue and cellulite. As you can see here from the echographic image, this time the adipose tissue is totally blue, is very dark. That means a lot of water. That's why I chose to treat this girl, because she is very young, with radiofrequency and not with cavitation, for instance. As I said, if I set high frequency, I have a very strong tightening effect, and so I have a lifting effect. This is also a very good result on face, because I have a total remodeling of the shape of the face. If you see this part, it is completely different. Eye contour, small wrinkles, very superficial radiofrequency. And this, I want to show you a couple of pictures about the immediate effect of radiofrequency, because I said that the immediate effect is the contraction of the fiber. So when I treat a patient, the patient see immediately the effect. And this is an example of a neck treatment. This is another immediate effect, one session, and you can see the double chin. Of course, how does it last? How does this immediate effect last? It can last 1 week, maximum 2 weeks. If they don't repeat the treatment, if they don't follow a complete protocol, the result is not long-lasting. The more sessions you do, the more the result is long-lasting. Okay, what is radio sound? We talked about radio frequency and ultrasound. Radio sound is simply the combination of the two techniques, the possibility to work contemporary with radio frequency and cavitation, and when it is useful, when I have cellulite and fat, that is most of the cases on body. So the radio frequency help me in tightening to improve the circulation and to decrease the adipocyte size, and the ultrasound decrease the adipocyte number. But why do I have a synergy? What about if I have the two machines, radiofrequency and cavitation? Why shouldn't I do the two techniques separately? Because if I do them contemporary, the radiofrequency develop heat-induced edema, and the edema helps me to spread much better the ultrasound. So the result is much more than the two single techniques. These are some examples where the combination of the two techniques is very useful. Bad cellulite, because this is a 4-stage cellulite, so a fibrosclerotic reaction. I need to reduce the fat layer, to reduce the fibrosis, and to improve the texture of the skin. So the combination is very good. This is a second example. Again, we have localized fat and a problem of retention of liquid, but we removed it completely. If we want to smooth even more the skin, we keep working now only with radiofrequency. And this is another example where we have to treat both fat and texture of the skin. Concluding, you see that we can treat many cases with this platform. If we have the full platform, I can treat cellulite, I can treat laxity, the so-called fake cellulite, localized adiposity. And so it is a platform safe and well tolerated, capable of treating a lot of blemishes.